Very good evening to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your motivational trainer present in front of you all is going to again present few motivational tips. We all know that in the coming months, students would be appearing for their exams, including board examinations. I have met many students in the recent past. What I have noticed, they are very scared now. See, as a teacher, I also can act strict and be very strict with those students. That why didn't they study for the entire year? They had enough time. During COVID-19, they had enough time. Online studies was at peak. There were numerous applications. There are numerous applications. But as a teacher, I would act strict. As a motivator and a counselor, I am still motivating the students till date by saying that if board students and non-board students, if they flunk in the exams, that is if they fail in the exams, believe me, they will get highly demotivated. Board students would be appearing for compartment then, and grade 9 and 11 students will have to repeat. Specifically, we have seen ICSC students, ISC students. There are many schools who have laid down such guidelines that if you fail in the subject English, they will not give you the next class. They will not promote you. I am not talking about the major subjects like PCM, accounts, commerce, sociology, etc., etc. But look at their standards. If you fail in the subject English, you are gone, you're out of the picture then. You'll have to apply in some other school. And what if you are provided with a TC that has a remark of fail? So this video is not to scare you because you have time. Study, tighten your belt. Hard work is the key to success. If the students have not studied for the entire year, at least come to the level of just pass marks. At least score 50% marks. As a motivational trainer, I would say that don't study 100%. Now here, smart work is better than hard work. Hard work, you are already regretting for it that you did not do that hard work. So now you'll have to do that smart work. Get connected with your teachers. The remaining days, attend school. Because hell lot of revision work is going at schools. So you can attend those lectures. Obviously, it would be very beneficial for you. Now study for at least 13 to 14 hours. At least till the annual examination. And please focus. See, don't think that I teach English, so I am promoting the subject English. But believe me, English is an obstacle. Specifically English language. So students, rest of the subjects, I have already guided you that you will have to do a lot of practice, get connected with your teachers. When it comes to English language, you can solve as many as reference papers or sample papers. You can download them. They are available free in the form of PDFs on Google. Keep solving them. What help I can provide you over here? You can email me or you can WhatsApp me your PDF. I can check it. But now it's high time. Don't compromise, else you will suffer. I have various examples when students, in case if they get that compartment, so they get demotivated. They do not go and appear for the compartment. They say that, sir, I would be doing a job now. I feel insulted. So you still have time. Go through the previous papers. Solve as many as sums you can. Solve as many as questions you can. And NCRT. Specifically, NCRT is the backbone. Do solve the questions from NCRT also. You can call me at 9839305466. I would be available for you people. Even I would be providing you offline counseling. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel in the name of English by Tarun sir. God bless you all.